Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G62 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and here we have to find the apps. Now let's tap on all apps and pick three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter reset up preferences and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Motorola Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.